Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website, from which you can click on the sign in button at the top section and then click on sign in once again to end up within the login portal. Now, if you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option and you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then click on the submit button. You will now be told to check your inbox. So log into your email account and you will find an email from Zendesk. Open up this email and click on set a new password within and you will now be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and click on the change password button, and now your password will successfully be changed and you will be logged back into your account. From this point on, you will be able to use your new password in order to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.